Hey there, we're going to walk through how you can make your learning a little bit more engaging with your upcoming staff meeting or professional learning by using Kami. What you're able to do is you are able to pick out any resource that you have for your upcoming meeting. This might be a Google Doc with an agenda. This might be a slide presentation where you want your staff to interact together. And you can do this two ways. You can have every single individual get their own copy and watch their visible thinking come out live, or you can share a collaborative document where everyone is working together. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this slide, and you'll notice that I've already made the slides in here. I've added text box, I've added different font colors, I've added different images and different activities that I want my staff to complete. And so because I want this to be an interactive, collaborative session, all I have to do is click on this Kami button up here where it says Open with Kami. Once I click that button, I'm going to go ahead and open this up into my Kami dashboard. And my teachers are going to have all of the wonderful tools to sketch, make a video reflection, provide audio, or even use the text box to share their thoughts and ideas about the certain topic that we're learning about or discussing. So up here to share this with teachers, you can click the share button. Once you click share, you're able to choose anybody in your domain or anybody with the link if you're doing this activity with parents, and I can make them editors. I'm going to copy this and I could email this out to my staff. You could also have them scan this QR code if that's easier too. So staff will either type this into their browser or scan that QR code, or again, you can email this link right to your staff. So they'll type this in, or again, you can email that to them. So I'm going to join from another account where I am a student, and they join that account by typing it in or clicking on your email. And you'll notice that all of your staff will be joining up here where it says collaborators. So again, as everybody's joining, you're going to be able to see them join live and they're going to be added as a collaborator. So I'm going to add just a few more collaborators. They're going to go to my email, click on that link and join that Kami document. And we're going to see some more friends popping up on that document live. As my students or as my staff join, then I'm able to begin presenting. I'm able to share with them the new information that they might need to learn when it comes to a certain topic or discussion that we're having within our school. They can come in and they're able to use tools like the drawing tool to sketch. They can use video or audio to record their thoughts and ideas if they're working with a partner. They can also videotape themselves and show who they are in the video and again, reflect that way as well. They can highlight important information if they are needing to maybe read a passage or work through some type of activity. Staff can even grab the text box and type their ideas onto the document. What I love about using Kami for collaboration is I'm able to see that my students and teachers can't delete each other. There's no trash can for them to move or delete these annotations. And so it allows for that safe space where everybody's voice matters. Another thing that you might enjoy is right here with the comments. I can also leave a text comment and my teachers can respond to each other. So they can say, great job, I love this idea, I agree. And they're able to respond to each other. If you don't like this view with all of the comments on the side, this eyeball, and you can click hide off-page comments, and those will appear right here, and they can make those comments down below. That can be a great way to support our teachers that might need that different support or want to respond to another peer about an idea. So again, it's that eyeball, and it was turn off-page comments, or you can leave them over on the side just like this. Teachers can also use our Add Media tool and provide stickers. And they can add stickers if they agree or want to +1 someone's idea or to vote how they like to travel if you're wanting to provide a quick check-in with your staff. Teachers can also kind of rate their learning, and I like to use the Add Media. I like to have them take a picture, and then they can add their picture right onto the board as well. Staff have multiple different ways to provide their knowledge about a topic. You can even insert YouTube videos if you want them to watch a certain topic as well. Once you're ready, you're able to then kind of review what your staff said. And sometimes I just want to see what one student said or one teacher because I want to follow up with that teacher in a coaching cycle or in a meeting. I can hide all of my responses and just go to that one student, and I'm able to see what they said on the collaborative document. That can make it great for follow-up meetings or coaching cycles when I'm working with teachers. So again, this is option 1, where you can share a collaborative document where everybody is working together. Now, some mentors or some principals or coaches, they have Google Classrooms or Canvas or Microsoft Teams or Schoology classes. And so if that's the case, you can actually create a Kami assignment. And there's 2 cool ways to create this Kami assignment. I can have it be so my teachers are able to go into Google Classroom, grab this resource instead of me sending out the link. I can also make it so everybody gets their own copy. So this one would be every single person gets their own copy. This one right here would be the collaborative document that we were just working on our Kami document. So again, think about which option would be best for your meeting. Do you want to see your teachers working individually, or do you want them all on the same document? You add a title and you assign this to your teachers. After you assign it, what's really cool about this activity is you hit open with ClassView. And here's a professional learning that I sent out about test prep. I created this kind of binder, this interactive notebook for my teachers to review how Kami can support them with questions for the upcoming state test. And I made a copy for every single teacher. So every teacher could potentially come in here, add their own notes, they can highlight, they can even use accessibility features like the read aloud or translate if they needed something translated for them. And they're able to kind of go through and try these different activities, these different notes on their own, and I can see their progress in real time. I can come into my students' work and leave stickers and feedback and let them know that they're doing a fantastic job and that I see them. So again, option 1 is you can create a collaborative document for your own teachers and staff to collaborate and share their ideas. Or you can come in here and again, you find that resource that you have and you're able to make a copy, or you can share that one copy and you're able to push this out so everybody gets their own individual copy. If you want to brainstorm or have ideas on a session that you want to do for your teachers in an upcoming staff meeting, and you are like, I have to go over this, but I want to make it a little bit more interactive, maybe give Kami a try. And if you need more help, let me know. We can schedule a call to chat more of how to make your session interactive so every single teacher feels heard, is excited, and can't wait until the next one.